Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Great news! Sometimes, in the actual board exam, you will encounter SPDI questions and practical problems taken from the RNPCP book. So read it at least 3 times and understand it well. Good luck, Masters!
Question number 1. Gauge pressure for the air test, equivalent to 254 millimeters of mercury height. Letter A, 34.5 kilopascals. Letter B, 344.5 kilopascals. Letter C, 103.42 kilopascals. Letter D, 55.16 kilopascals. The answer is letter A, 34.5 kilopascals. Question number 2. Sumps and condensers shall contain a volume of not less than twice the volume of water removed from the boiler connected thereto when the normal water level is reduced to not less than blank. Letter A, 76 millimeters. Letter B, 51 millimeters. Letter C, 102 millimeters. Letter D, 25 millimeters. The answer is letter C, 102 millimeters. Question number 3. Recommended slope for building sewers. Letter A, 0.5%. Letter B, 1%. Letter C, 2%. Letter D, 4%. The answer is letter C, 2%. Question number 4. The sizes of valves shall be brass and bronze metal. Letter A, 102 millimeters or larger. Letter B, up to 102 millimeters. Letter C, 51 millimeters or larger. Letter D, up to 51 millimeters. The answer is letter D, up to 51 millimeters. Question number 5. Minimum thickness of filter material over drain lines. Letter A, 101.6 millimeters. Letter B, 50.8 millimeters. Letter C, 381 millimeters. Letter D, 304.8 millimeters. The answer is letter B, 50.8 millimeters. Question number 6. The diameter of a circular basin, when provided with water outlets, shall be considered equivalent to 1 lavatory. Letter A, 609.6 millimeters. Letter B, 304.8 millimeters. Letter C, 812.8 millimeters. Letter D, 457.2 millimeters. The answer is letter D, 457.2 millimeters. Question number 7. Intervals of horizontal supports for screwed pipes 19 millimeters in diameter and smaller. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 3.6 meters. Letter C, 1.8 meters. Letter D, 1.2 meters. The answer is letter A, 3 meters. Question number 8. Minimum distance of the spill-proof pressure-type vacuum breaker above all downstream piping and the floor-level rim of the receptor. Letter A, 76 millimeters. Letter B, 305 millimeters. Letter C, 152 millimeters. Letter D, 51 millimeters. The answer is letter C, 152 millimeters. Question number 9. Termination of filter material from seepage pit excavation when used in combination with disposal fields. Letter A, 0.9 meter. Letter B, 1.2 meters. Letter C, 1.5 meters. Letter D, 1.8 meters. The answer is letter C, 1.5 meters. Question number 10. Distance of the perimeter of the leaching bed from a distribution line. Letter A, 0.9 meter. Letter B, 1.2 meters. Letter C, 0.6 meter. Letter D, 1.8 meters. The answer is letter A, 0.9 meter. Question number 11. Elevation of installations above the floor or grade to be provided with a permanent platform. Letter A, 3.05 meters. Letter B, 1.83 meters. Letter C, 2.44 meters. Letter D, 1.52 meters. The answer is letter D, 1.52 meters. Question number 12. In one plumbing unit, determine the number of floor drains. Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter C, 3. Question number 13. The maximum temperature allowed for water to be discharged under pressure directly into the drainage system. Letter A, 60 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 80 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 100 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 120 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter A, 60 degrees Celsius. Question number 14. Each soil or waste stack that extends blank or more stories above the building drain shall be served by a parallel vent stack. Letter A, 3. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 5. Letter D, 10. The answer is letter D, 10. Question number 15. Minimum distance between the door or entry to the drain opening. Letter A, 0.75 meter. Letter B, 1.5 meters. Letter C, 0.45 meter. Letter D, 1.2 meters. The answer is letter D, 1.2 meters. Question number 16. Ratio of drinking fountain to number of persons in public buildings. Letter A, 1:5. Letter B, 1:30. Letter C, 1:75. Letter D, 1:100. The answer is letter C, 1:75. Question number 17. Outlets shall be taken off from the side in a manner to allow a water line to be maintained that permanently occupies not less than blank the capacity of the condenser or sump. Letter A, 1/4. Letter B, 1/2. Letter C, 3/4. Letter D, 1/3. The answer is letter B, 1/2. Question number 18. Combustible construction is any structure with a structural framework which ignites and burns at a temperature of blank or less. Letter A, 149 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 756 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 48.88 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 449 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter B, 756 degrees Celsius. Question number 19. Number of single-compartment sinks or laundry tubs of the same depth, or lavatories that can be served by one trap. Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter C, 3. Question number 20. In a seepage pit, 152.4 mm minimum thickness of clean blank gravel or rock in excavation voids behind the brick, block or concrete liner. Letter A, 6.4 mm. Letter B, 19.1 mm. Letter C, 12.7 mm. Letter D, 3.2 mm. The answer is letter B, 19.1 mm. Question number 21. Head of water to be filled on each section of pipings under a water test. Letter A, 1 meter. Letter B, 2.5 meters. Letter C, 3 meters. Letter D, 5 meters. The answer is letter C, 3 meters. Question number 22. Minimum extension of a vent pipe above the roof or firewall. Letter A, 61 centimeters. Letter B, 15 centimeters. Letter C, 30 centimeters. Letter D, 25 centimeters. The answer is letter B, 15 centimeters. Question number 23. When disposal fields and/or seepage pits are installed in sloping ground, the minimum horizontal distance between any part of the leaching system and the ground surface. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 4.6 meters. Letter C, 15.2 meters. Letter D, 30.2 meters. The answer is letter B, 4.6 meters. Question number 24. Minimum weight of lead pans or liners. Letter A, 0.9 kilogram per square meter. Letter B, 14.63 kilograms per square meter. Letter C, 6.8 kilograms per square meter. Letter D, 19.6 kilograms per square meter. The answer is letter D, 19.6 kilograms per square meter. Question number 25. Brazed joints are obtained by joining of metal parts with alloys which melt at temperatures higher than blank, but lower than the melting temperature of the parts to be joined. Letter A, 149 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 48.88 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 427 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 449 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter D, 449 degrees Celsius.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.